Okay, guys, now live. We have entered the market for short sell position. This is the third scalping tonight. Today, 13th of November 2019. Live at the trading market, WTI NYMEX, December 2019 contract. So at this moment, I have short position, still not yet been closed, and we missed about one ticks or two ticks just now, and the market did reverse back to the upper side, and that's what we are waiting at this moment on back to the TP area. So there's a high volume detected at 57.11, which is around 135. So this might good indication the market might go to this direction. So for me, it was a good day today. They trade during the London session and also US session scalping, so 1000 plus profit at this moment. And for E-mini, it was a quick split second profit. You can see about 200 US dollar, and all this has been broadcast live from my day trading channel. So there's a link below in description. You may subscribe the link. There's also a newcomer promotion, so it's up to you guys. Might be helpful for you or might be not. So in trading, there's always a profit there. There's also some losses there. And as for now, we're still waiting. Market a bit slow at this moment, and in any case, I will exit at any positive because it has been too late. In my country, it is midnight time, and yeah, a bit sleepy at this moment. So I try to protect the profit from today the trade. From 1000 now, leftover is 900. Just need to be careful. Hopefully the market can break through one more time, and this is the nearest low. So from the US session, we have also a profit, was a good one, but we exit a bit early because didn't expect that the market will fly over very fast. And this is the whole US session at the beginning. So for the E-mini was a, so we're still waiting for the market to go further down. Maybe some of the traders already exit the market because yeah, multiple time the price did touch around that area. So as you can see here, the lowest is 50. Seven so just now, but I didn't make a round number. Quite important for crude live with YouTube channel and internet in the internet connection. So let's wait. Okay. Still waiting. So integrated to trading view, you can see the analysis is much more clearer. Price now stood at 57.20. I'm still waiting for it to go on the reverse. There's a high chance market will reverse and close at 57.01 or below. but this might take a few minutes or maybe hour. Let's wait patiently. In case the price didn't go to our direction, then I will exit at losses, which is at 57.34. So it was a good day for me today. So I'll keep this video live for a couple of minutes, maybe in 20 or 40 minutes. Try not to take a lot of time doing it because it has been late for me here in my country at night time, and also I need to protect the profit here, not to. Okay, let's wait. So this is the latest high, this is a new high. Hope can go further down. Let's enlarge the scale so you can see it much more better. In scalping, we are going for a small time frame. By the way, this is time frame funds. And it's good. Should the profit uh, my hard work since my disconnect again. I'm not sure because also it's quite heavy. Um, let's take a look why. Still overall, I don't want to lose everything. 1000 US. I'm expecting this one is a good trend, but still not believe because the market did reverse suddenly at 57.03 just now. So I have to rotate this profit. My hard work for today. Okay, we have a bad reception or bad internet connection. 4G. Okay, we're still there. Minus 180. Or maybe I'm opening too much chart. Okay, I reduce. Okay, price keep dropping, which is 57.23, 57.22. So let's make some analysis. Okay, as you can see today the market has begin as typical Asia session. The market have a sideways movement, a bit false breakout on the larger time frame, which is during the London session. We have a short sell position. It's quite a good entry, and TP somewhere at 57.23. So this I have indicated in my live channel to broadcast my live channel for signal broadcasting. And London session today we have a short sell position at 56.50. It's quite a good entry, and TP at 56.23. So we have reached this price level. I believe the lowest one is 57.20 if I'm not mistaken, which is at this price. So we exit with a good one, and 56.50 is somewhere here if I'm not mistaken. So this is London session day trade, but I didn't record it, but the profit is there. And for US session, we have a good bullish signal, a good bullish signal about few minutes before US session begin, time 9 a.m. and after US session begin New York time 5 or 10 minutes after the US session begin. So they've entry for a bullish position during the US session, but it didn't manage to take all, but it was a good profit, about 23 or 16 if I'm not mistaken entry at, let me check. So the entry for US session today, we have multiple entry. Okay, the first one is 56.57. Target is 56.73, so should be around 37. 16 ticks. This is a scalping, was a good one. Then one more time, 56.59. 56.59, also a scalping. And the last one is a short sell position, which I mentioned just now, 57.14, target at 57.00, but then revise the TP to be at 57.02. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, still not there yet, but looks better, hopefully, if the price break to the upper side, which means no chance for our entry to go for the bearish movement as a pullback, but there's also a chance for the continuation of the bullish on the last round. A bad feeling for this one. I should exit early. So okay, as for this one, we have to trading people of signal. Okay, still waiting. Hopefully, in the next 30 minutes, market not going upwards. So let's take a look back on our PNL. The profit now is have remaining around I think around 800 from the total of 1000. So I don't want to go below 700. And that's the limit I have set for this trade, which is need to be careful. I have to give some room. Okay, estimate 34. It's around 820 on the net one. Okay, let's take a look at the volume. I saw a very large volume waiting at 57.27. This is too near to my, okay, another one 57.40, 149 waiting. So there's a possibility, okay, 57.45, 57.48. So more chance for the market to go for another bullish 57.50, high volume, 57.55, high volume. So I guess we have to switch the position to the bullish. Yeah, very high volume on the higher side. It's quite clear that the market will go for a bullish movement. So let's take a look if there is a chance for me to go into the market. So I have to queue for the bullish position at 57, 32, 37, 33 to do recovery on the profit target. Okay, they're going. So we have to buy. So a bit slow. Okay, it's not good because I'm broadcasting live with YouTube. I try not to do it, but just want to try it how it's going to affect. So now we see that okay, I will add position just to expect if the market to burst on the bullish position, then I can go on the same direction, but I will include at somewhere 34. Okay, wrong. First I need to put my stop loss at 34. Should be okay. Both here. So negative So the profit now remain is around 700 US dollar. This one is not really good because we lost much on the profit. I think not loss, just the floating now is minus 300. Might being reduced later on if I manage to go into the bullish position, or if the market return back to the TP target F of 5701 or 5700. So I need to wait another 50 minutes to ensure that the market reverse or make a breakout. So let's take a look if we are looking on the different candle. Okay, market already on the move for buy position. Okay, no, not yet. So if you take a look on the buy position, so there's a possible of the bullish breakout. Possible, but no sure. So let's wait. Maybe we can try to go for the hourly chart. Okay, very big strong candle over here. So I did short earlier today at 57.50, which is just nice at this price level, and then exit at 56.23 or 56.24, 25, 26. 18 minutes since the live streaming. I try to do live streaming during the beginning of US session, so maybe tomorrow at 9 a.m. New York time, maybe try to make it live trading. But after I send out the signal to my traders, subscribers, and after we enter the market on that one, because I need to protect, because you cannot get any free signal except you are joining to my live trading group. Still waiting for the market to make a place off on. Let's so profit now maintain at 760. I guess I need to stop this video live streaming and continue with my live recording, because it consumes more of the internet and very hard for me to focus on the market. Okay, now we are back to 57.28, and let's take a look on the large volume. If there is any, okay, still remain. You can see here all this large volume important, which means might indicate that the market might go further up, maybe today or tomorrow, or maybe late evening. But so we have to prepare in case the market do a reversal. So there's a reversal point over here. This is the nearest high. This is the lowest high of the lower, and once it's triggered here, then it go further up. That's what I'm expecting. So I need to, because it's already late. It's not a scalping technique, but I hope I can capture it live. So I need to check if there is any other signal appear. Okay, there's one signal. So I'm waiting for the market to go for another last round of bullish and to TP at so let's take a look. Um, 65. So if I enter the market at 57.34, then lose a good. Then I'm okay because I'm already in the position of the thing at this moment. There's a large volume for price level waiting quite stable with the high. So in case the price go break this one, we go for a bullish movement. Target 57.65 if I'm not mistaken. So it should be around 30 ticks. Okay, almost hit the 30, 57, 33, which is this is our stop loss, and at the same time to trigger the buy entry for the market to go for the last round of bullish movement. Okay, hopefully any moment from now. I'm getting very sleepy at this. Yeah. But I really hope that the market will reverse to the downside because I want to protect my profit. That's what I'm hoping. Still in a good mode of the profit around 660 US dollar. Okay, we hit the stop loss, and at the same time we go for buy position, and I've been reduced my profit quite a lot. I lost 400 from the profit. Just now is 1000, so now remaining is around 620 US dollar. So let's wait. Hopefully this is the nearest sign. So just we have been changed the position. We are now in the buy stop limit order. Okay, still waiting. But I don't think the market will go for a bearish movement. It should be the last bullish. It will be the last bullish. Okay, now we have to wait. Okay, almost reached 30 minutes. Such a miss because I'm expecting a oak. Then it's already break the first break. So the second is the nearest high. 40. this, the price already break this errors high, so it might go for another last round of bullish movement, but I will not take all, so because the target is just to do a recovery from the previous losses, and I'm expecting to exit around maybe 47 should be good enough. But since now all green was a good one. I will stop this video at 30 minutes, so another 2 more minutes, hopefully to see some action where the market will go. So by the way, whoever are watching this video, feel free to click the link in the description below. I will include it later, because this link will direct you into the live private channel group for crude oil market during London session and also US session. So it was a good one. So total profit now is 680. In case anything, I just need to exit everything and go to sleep. There's a high chance market will continue further up. So guys, another few more seconds. I have to close this live streaming because I have limited into 30 minutes, because when the video is too long, it's not really interesting when the viewer want to see on it. So overall, we have 620 US dollar in profit, or maybe around 700 for the whole day, including one or two loss trade, but the overall still maintain at the good higher side of the profit. So you can check it here. Okay, was a good one. You can see very strong. This means this will be a continuation on the bullish movement, and we confirm that one. So I'm scalping, so I will not scalp much. Another 8 more ticks, then we exit the market. So total profit now is 720. So I will let this video close for live streaming. So feel free to click on the link below in description. You may direct it into my live signal broadcast from my Telegram channel. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, maybe perhaps. Thank you. Bye bye.